Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the fourth chapter of Geography, Agriculture. What is agriculture? Agriculture is the science and art of cultivating plants and livestock. Agriculture is the process of producing food, feed, fiber, and many other desired products by cultivation of certain plants and raising of domesticated animals, livestock. It is the combined process of farming and animal rearing. Children, we should know about the importance of Indian agriculture. Agriculture plays a vital role in Indian economy. Over 70% of the rural households depend on agriculture. Agriculture is an important sector of Indian economy as it contributes about 17% of the total GDP and provides employment to over 60% of the population. These are the salient features of agriculture. First is subsistence agriculture. Second is importance of animal. Third, variety of crops. Fourth, pressure of population. Fifth, depend on monsoon. Sixth, predominance of the food crop. As we know, agriculture is the combination of farming plus animal rearing. Now we have to discuss about types of farming. Agriculture is an age-old economic activity in our country. Over these years, cultivation methods have changed significantly depending upon the characteristic of the physical environment, technological environment, and socio-cultural practice. At present, in different parts of country, the following farming system are practiced. First, primitive subsistence farming. Second, intensive subsistence farming. Third, commercial farming. And fourth, plantation. Let us discuss what is primitive subsistence farming. This type of agriculture is self-sufficient and the farmer only grow food for themselves and their families. Some small surpluses can be exchanged or sold for cash. Primitive subsistence agriculture is practiced with a small patch of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, hoe and digging sticks and family and community labor. This type of farming depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of the soil and stability of other environmental conditions to grow crop. Primitive subsistence farming is also called slash and burn agriculture. Farmers clear a patch of land and produce cereals and other food crops to sustain their family. When the soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of the land for cultivation. That's why it is called shifting cultivation. This type of shifting allows nature to replenish the fertility of the soil through natural processes. Land productivity in this type of agriculture is low as the farmer does not use fertilizers or other modern inputs. It is known by a different name in different parts of the country. Shifting cultivation is practiced by local tribal people in different parts of the country as well as in different parts of the world. It is known as jhuming in the northern eastern states like Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Nagaland. Pamlo in Manipur, Deepa in Bastar district of Chhattisgarh and in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Jhuming. The slash and burn agriculture is known as milpa in Mexico and Central America, Conuco in Venezuela, Roca in Brazil and so on. Next type of farming practiced in India, that is intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in area of high population pressure on land. It is labor intensive farming where high dose of biochemicals input and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production. Farmers cultivate a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Though the right of inheritance leading to the division of land among successive generations has rendered land holding size uneconomical, the farmer continues to take maximum output from the limited land in the absence of alternative source of livelihood. We have discussed two farming methods that are practiced in India. Now we have to turn towards the next, commercial farming. The main characteristics of this type of farming is use of high doses of modern inputs, that is high yielding variety seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides in order to obtain higher productivity. The degree of commercialization of agriculture varies from one region to another. For example, rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, but in Odisha it is subsistence crop. Now the last method of cultivation, that is plantation. Plantation is also a type of commercial farming. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. The plantation has an interface of agriculture and industry. Plantation cover large tract of land using capital intensive inputs with the help of migrant laborers. All the produce is used as raw material in respective industries. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are important plantation crops. Tea in Assam and northern Bengal, coffee in Karnataka are some of the important plantation crops grown in these states.